Good evening everyone. I'm recording this message on behalf of Christine Wynne and John Evans, who are your lead officers for Seren in Conwy and Denbighshire. This is a welcome to the Conwy and Denbighshire Seren partnership and a quick update on what you can expect across 2020 and 2021. You already will have received a copy of the Conwy and Denbighshire Seren programme for 2020-2021. And for those of you interested in pursuing a career in medicine, the prestigious medics programme delivered by consultants and doctors at Ysbyty Clwyd is a key aspect of this. As you can see, the programme offers a range of academic activities which, with your commitment, will provide you with all you need to fulfil your academic potential and to make informed decisions about your future. As you will have heard earlier this evening, there are many natural opportunities such as the National Conference and summer school events that Conwy and Denbighshire learners will have access to. Last year, over 145 Year 12 students took part in the Seren National Conference in Newtown, and up to 8 students from Conwy and Denbighshire have been selected each year to attend summer schools in Harvard or Yale in the USA. Additionally, you'll also have access to Stretch and Challenge events and additional support throughout your time as a Seren learner. The Conwy and Denbighshire Seren Hub has a really strong track record of success for their Seren learners when making applications to competitive universities. As you can see from the statistics on the screen, many learners go on to pursue degrees at some of the top universities across the UK and beyond. A special feature of the Conwy and Denbighshire Seren programme is the Medics programme run by Dr John Glenn at Ysbyty Clwyd and his team of consultants and doctors. As you can see on the screen, many of the young people who participated in this programme have gone on to make successful applications and study fantastic courses at highly selective and competitive universities. So, as you've seen and heard, the Seren programme here in Conwy and Denbighshire can support you to be successful in a number of ways. However, the level of success you achieve will be determined by your engagement in everything that the Seren programme has to offer. This will include you booking onto events in advance, meeting deadlines, and informing your Seren Hub coordinator, your leads Christine and John, if you're unable to attend any events. They wish you a very warm welcome to the programme and hope you enjoy the many experiences that will be available over the next 2 years. Diolch yn fawr pawb.